Lesson, we will learn that how we can use LifterLMS instructor block in our courses. So if you want that your user will be able to see the course instructor on the course page, then you can use the LifterLMS instructor block. When you will add an instructor to your course, this portion will be by default there. But if there is no instructor block, you can add that manually as well. So what we have to do, we have to visit our course page. So here I have a commercial course, and in this course I will add the course instructor. So what we have to do, we have to click on this plus icon to add the instructor block. Then we have to search for instructor. So here is the instructor block. I will add this, and this will display my instructor name and informations, bio. So here is the information, and now I will update this. So if I visit my course and refresh it, the instructor block will be there. So here it is.